Hello guys, today we will make egg chicken sandwich. We will take 2 boiled eggs, mayonnaise, carrot, some chili flakes. So here I have made a preparation of 2 eggs, boiled shredded chicken, half a carrot, chili flakes 1 packet, 1 packet oregano, and we will put some salt for taste. Also you can put some black pepper along with this. Then we'll put a good quantity of mayonnaise as per the quantity of your egg and chicken. This is how it looks. Pinch of salt, and then we'll mix, and the chicken sandwich is ready. Do try it out and let me know how it looks.